Daniel Rice from CJD Equipment. I'm the General Manager of our Victorian operation. CJD started in 1974 with our founding directors Ron and Rob, and we're a family-owned business, Australian-owned. Currently we're at Epsom Sand and Soil just out of Bendigo. We're here to see David Mills. David and I met approximately 5 years ago it'd be now, and it was a meeting over the sale of a new machine and a bucket that we were meant to have here that we didn't have here at the time. we eventually got sorted out, but thanks to David's patience, that ended up getting sorted, and since then we've had a good relationship, so it's been great.
Hi, I'm David Mills from Epsom Sand and Soil. We operate a sand and soil business about 10 k's north of Bendigo, a little township called Epsom, which is now almost part of Bendigo. Bendigo's grown and coming out this way. Started the business back in the mid-70s, late 70s, and there's sand, soil, screenings, road base, all that sort of stuff, mainly for builders and landscapers around the Bendigo area. Volvo were one of the first ones, I think, to go to 500 service hours between services. You know, they've got a Venturi that sucks a lot of the dust up out of the exhaust pipe, so you don't get the dust into the air cleaners. And fuel consumption on the Volvo is way, you know, we've done comparisons. We had a Komatsu on hire at one stage, and it was, you know, like 25% more fuel per day than what the Volvo was. So they've always been really good on fuels. Prices at $2 a litre, it can add up to a lot at the end of the day. So yeah, if we've got something going wrong with the machine, a fault code or something we're not sure of, we talk to Chris. If we've got a problem with the machine itself, it's Daniel from CJD that we talk to. You sort of get to know them on a personal basis. It's sort of, you know who you're talking to down there. They've all been up to see us. You know, you're not just dealing with someone you don't know. You know, it's more of a bit smaller company, and yeah, you just got a lot more personal contact, I suppose. So, same temperature every day, no matter what. You know, the wife will say, "Oh, it's cold today. You should have a jumper on," or whatever. You say, "Well, sitting in the machine, it's no different. It's 20, whatever I poke into the thing, 22 degrees. Whether it's 2 degrees outside or 45 degrees outside, it's 22 in the cabin." So, I recommend them because, yeah, the service and backup service, and any time we've had any spare parts, even if we've had to get parts out of Sweden, it's still only been about a week at the longest we've ever had to wait for a spare part when it's had to come out of Sweden, and they're really good.
We can feed back any information that we get from customers back to the factory. That's normally done through our Perth operation, and that is taken into account when they're developing new machines and when they're modifying machines. If you're looking for Volvo construction equipment anywhere in Australia, give CJD Equipment a call. We'd be happy to help.